Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Urban Jems haul to share with you guys today. I'm going to try to make this really quick. This is the second time I'm filming this because I ran out of memory, so I had to start over. So here's my card. Here's my wonderful order from urbanjems.com. Okay, so it came like this in a really pretty box. It's from Nurse Tara. And this is what it looks like. She put all her stickers on there. So cute, guys. I did this order already. I was unboxing it and then my camera ran out of storage, so I'm redoing it. I didn't get to open the letter, but look at this cute little girl. Isn't she cute? She's sitting behind a computer and has a little heart. Isn't that so cute? I love it. All right. Get into this one. It says make magic. Oh yay. Hi Eileen, thank you for your purchase, continued support, and importantly your friendship. Enjoy your goodies and gifts I included. Happy crafting. Big hugs, Tara. My favorite color, our favorite color, by the way. She loves purple. But super cute card. I think that's the Michael's ready to go card or whatever. And this is her little card, Urban Jems, and then it has her name and her website for her shop right here, Urban Jems. And it's Urban Jems on IG and Nurse Tara on YouTube. And then here's the website. So if you guys want to take a screenshot of that, that'd be awesome. Very cute, Tara. Thank you again. Thank you so much. And then this was my little extra gift. It was a little thank you. And it was like this. And I didn't realize how much I didn't record, but it came in her little baggie. It said thank you. And this is a flamingo bottle opener. Definitely going to use this. Put this to good use. Thank you, Tara. All right. So I also shared the die cuts that I ordered from her. So... And this, well, let me start over. This is the rose gold pen she carries in her shop. And you can see it's a chisel tip, but it's not a big chisel like the ones I use or get from Walmart. So this is a lot thicker, but I'm so happy she shared that she had it in her shop because I want to try this color. It's so pretty, guys. I don't think it's doing it any justice, this camera. So that's what I got. And this is the Studio Light cutting and embossing winter days. So you have a border here, a border die, and then you have the Polaroid die cut with the love, the word love, and then here's like a little tag, not tag, but a label. And then it says Christmas, and then this is a stitched star, and it says joy. That is another die. So this is a very cute die for Christmas. Let me just go over the dies that I got here. So this is also from Studio Light, and this is the Create Happiness. It's a die and an embossing. So you have this little like doily style and then a circle one, which is so cute. I love that. And this word die says smile. And it shows you on the back what other dies are in the collection. And I believe Nurse Tara has this one in her shop right now. So the large and the medium, like a pennant die or flag die. This one is like a really intricate doily style. This one is a Sweet Flowers collection, also from Studio Light. And this is what it looks like when you cut it out. But that's a good size die. It's a 3-inch die, guys. 3.5-inch die. So that one's cute. So another one that she carries is Winter Joys, also from Studio Light. And these are the Christmas trees. You can also use them in fall too. It would be super cute. Isn't that pretty? And then if you turn it over, you can see the rest of the dies that are included in the collection. If you want, you could probably ask Nurse Tara if she carries them, or you can go to the website for Studio Light www.studiolight.nl. I don't know what NL means, but super excited for this little girl right here. I want to get her stamped and colored, and that is what she looks like when you stamp her out and then you color them in. I'm going to use the watercoloring that I learned from Christian's Crafty Adventures. So here are the sparklets, and these are from Buttons Galore and More. I don't know exactly the names of each of them, so it's super full, guys. You can see how full they are. So this is like a pinky peach color right here. This one is the stars. It's just all stars. If you want me to take them out, just give me a comment down below and I will share those separately. I also got the hearts, and they're faceted hearts. So almost like the dewdrops, but they're heart shapes. Okay. And then these are a mix. They have star sequins, circle transparent sequins, and then there's little teeny tiny flatback gems in there, and also some seed beads included in this mix. So these are all from the Buttons Galore. They're the sparklets. So here's a pinky color with pearls in there. And you also have some faceted stars and star sequences in there. All in the mix with some flatback pearls and some flatback gems. So very, very cute. I love that. And then the last one I got was some pink and blue. It's almost like, I think this was one of the beach mixes. I'm not sure. There's very tiny, tiny stars in there, guys, if you guys can see that. And then there's the dewdrops that I have also. They're very cute, guys. Also have some pearls and some seed beads included in this pack. So that is very pretty collection. That's what I got from her, and she just stocked it. As soon as she stocked it, I put it in. I was like, that's mine. I also picked up some Pink and Main glossy dots. These are the gold, and these are the rose gold. You guys can see the difference in the colors. Very pretty, and they're so sparkly. I can't even explain how sparkly those are, but I had to get those. Very cute. The next thing I got were these. Oh no, I didn't get these. Did she put these in? Oh no, I ordered these. Duh, I ordered these. These are the Santa Babies Say It in crystals. Look at how pretty that is. There's like glitter on top of some of the jemmies. These are like semi-glossy, and then these are glittery glossy on top. So very pretty. I love that, and they're hard to find. And here is one pack of puffy stickers because they didn't have any more. This was it. I'm squeezing all the puffy stickers, guys. Oh my gosh, this little bicycle, this is the Santa Baby collection. This doesn't show up on the paper collection, but it does show up in the ephemeras and the stickers. So that is also why I wanted to get a hold of those. All right, so the next thing Nurse Tara carried stocked was her Nouveau drops, okay? Look at this pretty, pretty iridescent bag. Wow. I don't even want to open it. It's so pretty. But if I want to use my my Nouveau drops, I have to open them. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow, Tara. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love this color combination. They're glittery, guys. So this is the Nouveau glitter drops, and this is the color Sugar Plum. So pretty. And then this one is the color glitter drops. Enchanting Pink. 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce. So pretty, guys. Oh my gosh. I love those. Look at this compared to the Stickles. Okay. So pretty. I love it. And it helps that they have these gigantic gems on the caps. All right, let's see. What does the next bag hold? Wow, this is some strong tape, Tara. And I'm kind of whispering because it's early for me. This one, we have crystal drops. This one's glitter. This is crystal. And this is the color Wedgwood Blue. So pretty. Oh my gosh. And then this one is Antique Rose. Yes. Oh, I can't wait to play with these. And then this is, let me see, guys. Sorry, I should have took these out of the packaging, but yeah, too late. Ooh, this tape, girl. Some strong packaging tape, girl. She wanted to make it fun for me. So pretty though. Let's see. Get it out of there. Alright, so we have, this is also the crystal drops, and this is the color Carnation Pink. And then this one is the color Bubblegum Blush. Look at these pinks, guys. All these pinks. This one's glitter, this is crystal. So look at those colors. I love the glittery. But these are gonna come in so handy. Oh my gosh. Love it. Love, love, love. Thank you, Tara. Okay. Whoops. All right. Whoops. So here's two more glitters. Yes. This is the Golden Sunset. So pretty. I can't even explain the color that I'm seeing, but there's like gold glitter in the mix. That's why you can see so much of it, because it's the gold glitter. So pretty. And then this one is, what is this one? Orange Soda. Ooh. So these are the glitters. Let me share with you what they look like. Aren't they pretty? So gorgeous. This looks a lot more gold in the camera, but there's more of a brown in there, and only because of the glitter that's in there. It's kind of deceiving on camera. So pretty. I love it. And then shared the other four with you. And she has great prices, guys. You got to check her out. There's Tara. She brings in, if you ask her, if she can get it, she'll get it. And then she lets you know right away. Isn't that gorgeous? And these are the crystal drops. All of these are crystal drops. So beautiful. I'm loving this Nuvo. Alright guys, that's it for my haul. So I want to thank Ms. Tara for sharing her wonderful goodies with all of us. And also hunting down the Santa baby stuff, because man, that was a hard one. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye!